Natasha.
Hi, I'm Hannah.
And I'm Capin.
Welcome back to our channel.
I think I said my name wrong.
So yeah, today we're going to be solving a Rubik's Cube. I have no clue how to use these. I don't understand them.
Why did you pick a Rubik's Cube for Henry?
I picked in a Rubik's Cube for Henry because it's a challenge. That's what Lola and Henry together are going through. They're going through this struggle. And whereas other children's games, they can solve them, there's always an ending to them. Whereas this, not everyone can solve a Rubik's Cube. So it was like, are they going to be able to solve their problem? Yeah, their issue together. Gavin, are you going to be able to solve
I
it?
can barely get myself dressed.
Do you know how to do it?
When I was younger, I used to be able to do it. I'll give it a go.
How old were you when you found your love for Rubik's Cubes?
I love Rubik's Cubes. When I was, it's going to sound so
Just say it.
weird. When I was in year 7,
Yeah.
there was a Rubik's Cube club.
Wait, are you serious?
Yeah, and
I just thought you were joking.
and I went to the Rubik's Cube club at lunchtimes to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube.
Pretty cool.
Oh my god, what have you done? I don't know what I'm doing, mate. I made it better. No, you didn't. I mean, you made it multicoloured. I made it pretty. Oh my god. Because it has to be pretty.
Charlie, do you know how to do it? Neither of us knows how to do it. I'm trying, but I'm going to fail.
I don't think we're doing it, guys.
I'm sorry.
I'm just going to make a suggestion. Paint. We'll just go down to the art shop. Honey, no, you just take the stickers off and you replace them.
It's just not possible.
Yeah,
for us, it's impossible.
It's not gonna happen. Not
So
today.
there's no point trying it anymore.
Give up.
I promise the paperwork is a lot more organised than I have